G'day, welcome back. Today I'm going to be just painting these areas off until I've got time to actually get on with it and then do the whole boot. I'll show you a simple hack with a bin bag. You don't need little ones. Oh. What we're going to do is find the end. Just going to chop straight across it like this. So this is to help me mask up the area. What I'll do is get that out. Put them down. Now I'm going to put it over here like this. I could actually use that a little bit more wisely, eh? We got some of that on. I just wanted to stop the time lapse and give a little bit of a rundown. So covered a little bit of it up. I'm going to do some more obviously here. I've got to cover all of this filler up so it just protects it for me. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to run some masking tape around this so it can't, so the spray can't actually go under. Push that out of the way a little bit. Right, there we go, that's another bit. I will get around to actually doing all the body work. Just other things have taken priority at the moment. But I'll get it done. And I've got something special coming actually. So we've just got to make sure all of this is pushed down. Right, sweet. So you can't move either, right? So because it's all stuck down, there's an edge. What I do is share it. I'm not worried about overspray on this because I've got to do this side, obviously body work this side, because the little rivet's sticking up. So what I'll do is I'll put that down for a minute. I'll get my spray. That should hold. I'll get my spray and just go hopefully I've got enough to do this side, that side and all of this. There's only going to be a light coat to protect the actual filler, but it'll be rubbed off anyway. Right, now the wind stopped a little bit. What we'll do is shake this up. Just a light spritz, that's all we need, just to cover it. There you go, done. Right, done. We'll leave that to dry. what I want to do is cover this up. Didn't need it over there anymore, so I just repurposed it. Just gonna give a quick spruce. It's all getting repainted and rebodied worked anyway. I just haven't got round to it. A bit busy. Masked the rear light up as well. Sprayed my bin bags. Great. I just want the filler just to be a little bit more protected. I will get around to it eventually, but I don't want to have to rebody work this, and that's why I'm covering up the filler. Hopefully should be root. I know, I had a little bit of water there. Knew it. Doesn't matter, I'll get it sorted. Won't be long. Just for now, because I don't know when it's going to rain. I'll wait for this to dry. Actually no, let's just peel it off now, because it doesn't matter if we do touch it, as long as it's a little bit protected. Put all my stuff down here. Let's just pull it off. Let's start with this one. Yeah, that's all I wanted to do. You can see what I wanted to do. Like I said, this will all be getting sorted. I just need to I've got other things at the moment to sort, so I'm a little bit busy. If you like this video, give it a thumb up. I did what I needed to do for a moment. Just peel that off. And well, thank you for watching.